Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely thrilled to have you all here today because we're about to embark on the most colorful, squawking, and mind-blowing adventure yet, diving deep into the incredible world of parrots. You know I'm obsessed with animals, and parrots, they're like the rock stars of the avian world, stealing the show with their dazzling feathers, larger-than-life personalities, and talents that'll leave your jaw on the floor. So grab your favorite snack, maybe a tropical smoothie to match the vibe, and settle in for the ultimate parrot deep dive. We're talking everything. Their genius-level intelligence, their wild social lives, their unique physical features, their vital role in nature, their quirky behaviors, their fascinating history with humans, and a whole flock of fun facts that'll make you see these feathered wonders in a brand new light. Buckle up, because this is going to be a long, wild ride, and I'm so excited to share it with you, my amazing fans. Parrots are found in some of the most stunning corners of the planet. Think lush, steamy rainforests, golden savannas, coastal mangroves, and even high-altitude mountains in places like South America, Central America, Australia, Africa, and parts of Asia. These vibrant habitats are where parrots thrive, painting the treetops with their brilliant plumage in shades of ruby red, emerald green, sapphire blue, sunny yellow, and every color in between. It's like they're nature's living fireworks. But their beauty is just the start. Parrots are brainiacs, and I mean next-level smart. Scientists have shown that some species, like the African gray, have cognitive abilities comparable to a 5 or 6-year-old human. They can solve puzzles, recognize shapes, colors, and patterns, count objects, and even understand concepts like same, different, or bigger. Take Alex, the famous African gray. This bird was a legend. He could name over 50 objects, count up to 6, and even had a bit of an attitude, sassing his trainers when he wasn't in the mood for their tests. That's the kind of personality we're dealing with here. And let's talk about their vocal skills, because parrots are the ultimate mimics. They don't just repeat words, they can learn full sentences, sing songs, whistle tunes, and mimic everyday sounds like doorbells, car horns, or your mom yelling from the kitchen. This talent comes from their syrinx, a specialized vocal organ that's like a built-in sound studio, letting them produce an insane variety of noises. In the wild, they use these skills to communicate across long distances, warn their flock about predators like hawks or snakes, or flirt with a potential mate. Oh yeah, parrots are total romantics. Many species mate for life. And you'll see them preening each other's feathers, sharing bits of fruit, or cuddling up on a branch like they're on a honeymoon. It's the kind of love story that makes you go, "Aw." Socially, parrots are the life of the party. Think of them as the friends who always bring the energy to the group chat. They live in flocks that can range from a cozy dozen to massive gatherings of hundreds. And these groups are like big, feathered families with their own rules and drama. They play, argue, share food, and watch each other's backs, creating a tight-knit community. This social nature is why pet parrots need so much attention. If you don't give them enough interaction or mental stimulation, they'll get bored or stressed, and a bored parrot? That's a recipe for chaos, like shredded curtains or a symphony of screeches that'll wake the neighbors. Physically, parrots are built like tiny superheroes. Their strong, curved beaks are multi-tools, perfect for cracking open tough nuts, peeling juicy mangoes, or even climbing trees by using their beak as an extra grip. Their zygodactyl feet, 2 toes facing forward, 2 facing back, give them a ninja-like hold on branches, letting them swing, hang upside down, or pick up objects with precision. And those wings? Parrots are powerhouse flyers, with some species traveling hundreds of miles to migrate, find food, or escape seasonal changes. Their diet is mostly vegetarian: seeds, fruits, nuts, berries, flowers, and bark. But some parrots get adventurous and snack on insects, small lizards, or even bits of meat for a protein boost. One of the coolest things they do? In places like the Amazon, parrots flock to clay licks, where they eat mineral-rich clay to neutralize toxins in their diet. It's like they've figured out their own natural detox system. How smart is that? Parrots also have a ton of quirks that make them endlessly entertaining. For starters, they can live crazy long lives. Some species, like macaws or cockatoos, can hit 80, 90, or even over 100 years with the right care. That's a lifelong commitment if you're thinking about a pet parrot. And trust me, they're not low maintenance. They need a varied diet, tons of toys, puzzles, and social time to keep their brilliant minds happy. Another fun quirk: parrots can blush. When they're excited and embarrassed or feeling extra spicy, some species show a flush of color on their faces, just like us humans. And if you've ever seen a parrot dance, you know they've got moves, bobbing their heads, swaying side to side, or even tapping their feet to a beat. Scientists think this love for dancing is tied to their rare ability to learn complex vocal patterns, a trait they share with only a few other animals, like humans, dolphins, and some whales. In the wild, parrots are ecological MVPs. As they munch on fruits and nuts, they drop seeds all over the forest, helping to replant trees and keep ecosystems thriving. Some plants literally depend on parrots to spread their seeds, making these birds key players in maintaining biodiversity. But here's the tough part: many parrot species are in serious danger. Deforestation is wiping out their habitats, climate change is messing with their food sources, and the illegal pet trade is a massive problem. Poachers snatch wild parrots from their nests, and many don't survive the journey to pet stores or black markets. It's heartbreaking, but there's hope. Conservation groups are working hard to protect parrot habitats, reforest areas, and crack down on poaching. We can help by supporting these efforts, spreading awareness, or even adopting parrots from reputable rescues instead of buying from sketchy sources. Let's keep these feathered friends flying free. Now, let's pile on some more fun facts because I know you're eating this up. Did you know parrots have accents? In the wild, different flocks develop unique calls, like regional dialects, and pet parrots might even mimic the tone or slang of their human's voice. It's like they're picking up your vibe. Or how about their playfulness? In the wild, parrots chase each other, toss sticks, or slide down wet leaves like they're at a jungle amusement park. Some pet parrots even learn to use tools, like grabbing a stick to scratch a hard-to-reach spot, or using a pebble to play a game. And here's a wild one: parrots can get jealous. If you're giving attention to another pet, a friend, or even your phone, your parrot might sulk, squawk, or try to steal the spotlight by doing something dramatic, like flinging their food bowl. They're like little divas with feathers. Another amazing fact: parrots have incredible memories. They can remember faces, voices, and specific words for years, which is why they form such strong bonds with their flock or human families. In some cultures, parrots are seen as symbols of wisdom, joy, or even messengers of the gods because of their intelligence and chatter. Historically, parrots have been human companions for centuries. Ancient Egyptians kept them as pets, European explorers brought them back from the New World, and pirates, well, they made parrots their iconic sidekicks, though that's mostly Hollywood flair. Parrots also have a sense of humor. Some have been known to laugh at their own antics, tease other animals, or play pranks, like hiding your keys and then cackling like they're in on the joke. And let's talk about their emotional depth. Parrots can feel joy, sadness, excitement, and even grief, forming deep attachments that make them more like family than just pets. In the wild, they mourn lost flockmates, and in captivity, they can get depressed if neglected. This emotional intelligence is why caring for a parrot is such a big responsibility. You're not just feeding a bird, you're building a relationship. Let's keep going with more parrot awesomeness. Did you know some parrots are left or right-footed? Just like humans are left or right-handed, they'll favor one foot for grabbing food or toys, and it's adorable to watch them figure out their preference. Or how about their vision? Parrots have near 360-degree vision thanks to their eye placement, and they can see ultraviolet light, which helps them spot ripe fruit, or even check out the health of another parrot's feathers. It's like they're living in a technicolor world we can't even imagine. And their sleep habits? Parrots need about 10 to 12 hours of sleep a night, and some even talk in their sleep, muttering soft chirps or words they've learned. Imagine your parrot sleep-talking your favorite catchphrase. Too cute. Another quirky behavior: parrots love to bathe. In the wild, they'll splash in puddles or stand under rain showers, and pet parrots might demand a misting session or hop into a shallow dish for a splash party. It's like they know they've got to keep those feathers camera-ready. Wrapping this up, parrots are the whole package: intelligent, emotional, gorgeous, playful, and just a little bit extra in the best way possible. They're a reminder of how vibrant and interconnected nature is, and I'm so grateful we got to geek out about them together. What's your favorite parrot fact, story, or maybe a quirky thing your own parrot does? Drop it in the comments. I'm dying to hear from you. If you loved this mega deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next animal adventure. Thanks for hanging out with me, you incredible people, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep spreading the love for our feathered superstars.